Hi friends, in the previous videos we have seen what is the internal circuit of operational amplifier and what are the internal blocks of operational amplifier and some of the DC analysis and AC analysis parameters, how it has to be calculated we have seen. And also we have seen what is an integrated circuit and what are the types of IC and also their types of packages and their classifications we have seen. Now in this video, we are going to see what are the terminals of an operational amplifier and how the operational amplifier is represented with a symbol. Now, what is that symbol? We are going to see. Along with that, how the pin numbers of an IC is identified. That concept we are naming it as a pin identification. Now, first we are going to see what is the operational amplifier definition and what is its symbol and what are the terminals. Okay, so this operational amplifier is nothing but a directly coupled high gain amplifier which consists of one or more differential amplifiers that are cascaded, and after that it is followed by a level shifter or level translator, thereafter an output stage. Okay, so simply this operational amplifier is a high gain amplifier which consists of a multiple number of differential amplifiers that are cascaded and followed by a level translator and an output stage. Now we are going to see how the operational amplifier symbol is represented. If you observe here, this is the symbol of an operational amplifier. So it is represented with a triangle symbol which consists of two inputs and one output. Okay, and if you see the minimum number of IC or nothing but the operational amplifier that is commonly used is IC741, which is a DIP package, that is dual inline package, that consists of a mini DIP IC. We know that this mini DIP IC is nothing but an 8-pin IC. Okay, so here the first pin is offset null, second pin inverting input terminal, third pin non-inverting input terminal, and fourth one is a negative power supply voltage, fifth one is an offset null, sixth one is an output, seventh is positive power supply voltage, and eighth one is no connection. Now why we have to use these offset nulls, that we are going to see in the upcoming videos. The main common terminals or the mostly used common terminals are number 2, number 3, number 4, number 6 and number 7. Okay, so this is the representation of an operational amplifier. Here these 2 and 3 are the inverting and non-inverting input terminals, 4 and 7 pins are supply voltage pins, and 6th one is an output terminal. Even if you are giving input signals and without applying this power supply voltage, this operational amplifier will not work. So this is how, nothing but the operational amplifier symbol is a triangle symbol which consists of a 2 inputs and 1 output. Now we are going to see how we have to identify the pins of an operational amplifier. So this is an operational amplifier IC. So here from the industry convention, so this pin 1 is the top pin to the left of a notch. So here this is an IC. So on the top of an IC we are having some circle symbol, we are calling it as a notch or a dot. Okay, so from this dot, the corresponding pin corresponding to this notch is we are indicating with the number pin 1. Okay, sometimes there is also a small white dot or a black dot on the IC of on the top of an IC, so we can consider that dot corresponding pin is pin 1. Now here these pins are counted down from the left side, from the top pin, then across the bottom and up until the last pin is the right to the notch is reached. So here from this 1, 2, 3, 4 bottom, thereafter here the top we have to count, that is 5, 6, 7, 8. So here if you consider simply this corresponding notch left, we have to count it 1, and at last the pin count should be ended with the right of this notch. So this is how we have identified the pins that are present on the top of an IC. Thank you.